Kids Zone with Trishy. Let's make some pretend pizza. Now it's time to put our toppings. Let's do a pepper, pepperoni, mushroom, shrimp. What should we do next with our pizza? Yes, put it in the oven, in the pretend oven. Turn on your pretend oven. The pizza is cooking. All done. Turn off the oven. Can you smell our pretend pizza? It smells so yummy. Now we need our pretend pizza cutter. Cut, cut, cut. Pretend to cut. Which slice are you going to eat? I love shrimp, so I'm going to have the shrimp slice. Which one will you have? Oh, that sounds delicious. Yum, yum. Pretend to eat your pizza.